Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 isn't lasting longer than 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises when the battery has degraded over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to reduced performance and ultimately render your vacuum cleaner unusable. Fortunately, replacing the battery is a straightforward process that you can undertake yourself with the right tools. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface with the handle facing upwards. You will now need to remove the screw securing the battery cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 2 screws located at the base of the handle. Take your time to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off the device. Now, locate the battery itself. It is typically positioned directly behind the cover you have just removed. To extract the battery, you will need to disconnect the wiring harness attached to it. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the connector free. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After disconnecting the wires, you can now lift the old battery out of the Dyson V8. When inserting the new battery, ensure that it aligns correctly with the connectors. Press down firmly to secure it in place. Reattach the wiring harness, making sure the connection is secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, simply replace the battery cover and reinsert the screws, tightening them just enough to hold everything securely without over-tightening. Once assembled, plug in your Dyson V8 and give it a test run to ensure it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filter and avoid letting the battery fully deplete frequently. This will help maintain the longevity of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.